Can I share something? Is like I've seen many people that come to Vrindavan and they think that they will see just like the beautiful, perfect Vrindavan, and then they come and then they're very disappointed because it's like, you know, it has a lot of dirtiness and also a lot of traffic. Now it's getting more and more sound pollution, and it's just like it's almost impossible to travel from one place to the other. But it will be like.
Yeah.
But I
You have to
request
have
everyone to come, but to come also with the understanding that this is a sacred place and that we all together can make it better. And it's not just because they come and they're like, oh, these devotees, they don't even take care of the streets and this. We have tried many times. Many devotees have tried to clean for hours. My husband, like for the cows and everything, and it's almost impossible because it has to be togetherness, no? Not just us, but everyone. So that's my request, because Vrindavan is getting so, because it's Krishna's place, so it's so energetic that everyone wants to come. Everyone wants to see Krishna, Radharani, like who doesn't want to see God? But at the same time, they're all coming, but they're all leaving their garbage, and they're just like come for some days and then leave. Come, enjoy Vrindavan, but also help us to make it clean, please. That's my request.
तो सिंपल शब्दों में कहे तो इन्होंने कहा है कि वृंदावन एक बहुत ही आध्यात्मिक, बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल, बहुत ही पवित्र धरती है। तो जब भी कोई वृंदावन आए तो यहाँ की वाइब्स ले जाए पॉजिटिव, बस यहाँ पे गंदगी ना करे, यहाँ की साफ सफाई में अपना योगदान दे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फॉरेन डिवोटीज है जो यहाँ पे सफाई करते हैं। जैसे प्रभु जी ने बोला कि अभी उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा कचरे का ढेर हटाया था, ऐसे ये लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सारे विदेशी भक्त यहाँ पे सफाई का काम करते हैं। तो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आपकी भी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे इस चीज़ में सहयोग करें, जो कि बिल्कुल सही बात बोली।